Tired of leaving your computer running all night? Let's get your Windows 11 PC to shut down automatically. First, we'll use the task scheduler. Go to your Windows search bar. Usually at the bottom of your screen, type task scheduler. You should see the task scheduler app appear in the search results. Click on it to open it. Now, on the right-hand side of the task scheduler window, look for an option that says Create Basic Task. Click on it. This will open a wizard to guide you through the process. In the name field, give your task a descriptive name, something like Auto Shutdown Works Well, then click the Next button. Now you need to set a trigger, or when you would like the task to run. Select when you want the shutdown to occur. For example, select daily if you want your computer to shut down at the same time every day, then click Next. Choose how often you want it to run, then choose the date and time you want the shutdown to start, and click Next. On the action screen, select Start a Program and click Next. Here's where we tell the task scheduler what to do in the program. Script field, type in shutdown, then, in the add arguments field, type /s space /t space and 0. The per second tells your computer to shut down, and the per t0 specifies the time delay before the shutdown, which we are setting to 0 seconds. Click Next. Finally, you'll see a summary of your task before you click Finish. Check the box that says Open the Properties dialog for this task. When I click Finish, this will allow us to configure a few final settings. In the Properties window, go to the Conditions tab and check Start the task only if the computer is idle. This makes the task work without your computer needing to be in idle mode. Click OK. That's it. Your computer will now automatically shut down at the time you specified. This is great for saving energy and keeping your system running smoothly. If you want to disable the auto shutdown later, you can simply delete the task from the task scheduler.